Now let us see children, lines and angles, sums, class 9, exercise 4.2. So in the given figure, three lines A, B, C, D and E, F intersecting at O, find the values of x, y, z. It is being given that x is to y is to z is equal to 2 is to 3 is to 5. So from the figure, we can write 2x plus 2y plus 2z is equal to 360 degrees. So how can we write this equation? Here see this, line AB and line EF are intersected at point O, and these two lines are intersecting lines, and then these two angles, angle AOB and angle BOF, are the vertically opposite angles. So that's why AOE is equal to BOF, each are equal to x degree. So this angle is x degree, this is also x degree. In the same way, DOE and COF, why? Because here EF and CD intersecting at a point O. That's why again these two are each equal to y degree. This one y degree and this is also, that is DOE is equal to COF is equal to y degree. In similar way, AB and CD are intersected at a point O. So that's why here AOC is z degree and DOB or BOD is also z degree. So here we get actually 6 angles. So but here two angles are equal. So x plus x, y plus z plus z. So altogether we get 2x plus 2y plus 2z equal to 360 degrees. 360 degrees means here the angle around a single point is always complete angle. Complete angle nothing but 360 degrees. Already this one explained in the previous chapter. So that's why previous video. So that's why we can write it as 2x plus 2y plus 2z is equal to 360 degrees. Then by taking 2 common from this, we get 2 times of x plus y plus z is equal to 360. Then x plus y plus z is equal to 360 by 2, that is 180 degrees. And we have here actually x is to y is to z, 2 is to 3 is to y. But actually he has given that x is the angles in the ratio form. So we need to get here the individual values of x, y and z. So to get that one, we know sum of the terms of the ratio 2 plus 3 plus 5 is 10. So sum of these 3 terms is equal to 10. Actually these 10 parts is equal to the 180 part. So among the among the 10 parts, 2 parts are goes to x in 180 degrees. So that's why 10 upon 2 into 180 degrees, that is 2 by 10 into 180 degrees is equal to actually 36. So 10 1 the 10 18 the 18 2 the 36. And then y is equal to, again same way, here 3 in 10 parts 3 parts are for by value. So y is equal to 3 by 10 into 180, then 10 1 the 10 18 the 54 degree. In the same way, z is equal to 5 by 10 into 180, 10 1 the 10 18 the, that is simply 19 degree. 5 into 18, 90 degree. So like this we can get this x, y and z values. So very important some practice we have. Now find the value of x in the following figures. Here we have so many figures. In that one first figure, in this figure we have actually 2 angles, 3x plus 18 degree and 93 degree. These two are simply called as linear angles and moreover adjacent angles. So why these linear angle, these adjacent angles said to be linear angles means here the sum of these 2 angles must be equal 180. Why? Because these 2 angles are on the same line. So by that relation we have to find the x value. So from the figure we can write 3x plus 18 plus 93 equal to 180. Why? Because these two are linear pair. Then 3x plus 18 is equal to, take this 93 on right side, 180 minus 93. Then 3x plus 18 is equal to 180 minus 93 equal to 87 degree. On subtraction we get 87. And again take this 18 to right side, then we get 3x is equal to 87 minus 18. Then 3x is equal to 69 degree. Then x is equal to 69 by 3, that is equal to 23 degree. Now next, see this figure children. Here we have from the figure x minus 24 plus 29 plus 296 is altogether again is equal to 360 degrees. Why? Because the angle around a single point is always 360 degrees. That's why from this figure we can write like this equation, okay, due to complete angle. Now 29 minus 24, 5 degree, 5 degree plus 296, 301. So x plus 301 is equal to 360. On simplification, we get the result. Then next, take this 301 right side. X is equal to 360 minus 301 is equal to 59 degree. So like this, we can find x value. Next. Okay, by this figure, we have again 3 lines actually intersecting at a point, but here mainly observe these 2 lines. So these 2 lines are again making the what type of angles? Yes, vertical opposite angles. So here 2 plus 3x degree and 62 degree. So from that vertical opposite angles, we have to find x degree. Okay, children, already what we learned before, from on that type of angles only we have the application of sum. So 2a plus 3x is equal to what? 60 degrees. The reason is vertically opposite angles or vertical angles. So 3x is equal to 62 minus 2, then we get 3x is equal to 60, then x is equal to 60 by 3, then that is 20 degrees. Okay, children. And next, very important, in the given figure, lines xy, mn intersect at O. If angle POY is equal to 90 degrees and A is to B is to 3, find C value. Observe this figure carefully. Here we have the xy line and OP is a ray, and the angle between OP and OY, that is POY, is given as 90 degrees. So then definitely this part, the angle POX becomes again 90 degrees. Why? Because sum of these 2 angles, that is POX plus POY, is 180. If it is 90 degrees, then definitely this part is 90 degrees. So let us see one by one. Here, now in given figure, lines xy and mn intersect at O. Okay, and angle POY 90 degrees, and A is to B 2 is to 3. Then we have to find C. Okay, children. Now from figure, we can write easily A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Why? Because in this 90 degree we have the 2 angles, that is A and B. So sum of those angles are 90. It is clear from the figure. Now sum of the terms of the ratio, same method, A plus B is equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So actually we have to find here A and B values now, but we need to get first of all B value. So that's why B is equal to 3 by 5 into 90 degrees, that is simply 54 degree. Then 5 1s are 5 18s are 18 3s are 54 degree. So we got 54 degree. But the final, ultimately you have to get what? C value. So that we need again the relation between B and C. So from figure, B and C we have the relation again. Mn is a straight line, B and C are the linear pair. So B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. So linear pair angle, by that definition we can write B plus C equal to 180 degrees. Then substitute B is equal to 54 in this equation. Okay, children, 54 plus C is equal to 180 degrees. So C is equal to, take that 54 on right side, then we get 180 minus 54 is 126 degrees. Okay, children, like this we can do these type of sums by applying linear angles. Okay, linear pair of angles definition. Okay, now one more interesting sum. The given figure, lines AB, CD intersect at O. Okay, children, A, B, C, D are intersect at O, and here O is another ray, and BOD, and also given that AOC plus BOE is 70 degrees. Total of AOC and BOE is 70 degrees, and angle BOD is 40 degrees. Find the BOE and also reflex of COE. Okay, reflex of COE. Let us see one by one. Now, given that angle AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 degrees. Okay, children, sum of AOC and BOE is 70 degrees. Actually, see here, angle AOC and angle BOE is sum of these two is 70 degrees. Okay, so first we have to get actually that BOE angle by that way, by which way already we have AOC is 40 degrees. So why? Because here BOD is equal to AOC, vertically opposite angles. Okay, children, that same, the properties only, that definitions only are used, are applicable here. So see one by one. Now angle BOD, angle AOC 40 degrees. Since AOC, angle AOC, BOD are the vertically opposite angles. Okay, why? Here AB and CD intersect at point O. That's why these two angles are each equal to 40 degrees. Why? These two are vertically opposite angles. Now given equation, angle AOC plus BOE is equal to 70. Here unknown angle is BOE, known angle is AOC. So substitute 40 degrees set here. Then we get 40 plus BOE is equal to 70 degree. Then angle BOE is equal to 70 minus 40, that is 30 degrees. Okay, children. Now we have to find angle COE by the relation of this equation, by the taking this equation. So how can we take this equation from figure? AB is a line. Here AOC plus COE plus BOE, that angles, sum of these three angles, angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE is 100 degrees. Why? Because these three lies on where? Same line. That's why they can form 100 degrees. So now substitute AOC 40 degrees, COE we need to find, BOE substitute 30 degrees. So we get actually angle COE plus 70 is equal to 180, and then final COE answer is 180 minus 70, 110. So till here we got what? Only COE. But we need to get what? Reflex of COE. So to get reflex of COE, we need to get actually this angle. Okay. Actually around this O we have the complete angle 360 degrees, but here COE is occupied 110 degrees. We need to get this spot. Okay. So that's why we have to get reflex angle, we have to subtract 110 degree from the 360. Reflex of angle COE is simply 360 minus 110, that is 250 degrees. So this angle is 250 degree. So these are very, very important. Okay. So many properties are used here: vertical opposite angles, and sum of angles on a line, and complete angle, and reflex angle. Okay. Now most important to prove, children, here we have actually in the given figure angle PQR is equal to PRQ. Then prove that angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. Okay, children, angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ is given. Then we have to find angle PQS is equal to PRT. So by seeing this figure, we can easily say PQR and PRT are the interior angles of triangle PQR, and the PQS and PRT are the exterior angles of the triangle PQR, as we know that one. Now from the figure we can write angle PQR plus angle PQS is 180 degrees, children. Here see this SR or ST is a line, so on that line again take the PQ as a ray, and sum of these two angles, that is PQR and PQS, is 180. Here 180 degrees. So it forms a linear pair. And next PRQ plus PRQ plus PRT is equal to 180 degrees. So say equation 1 and say equation 2. From these two equations we can equate these two values, angle PQR plus angle PQS is equal to angle PRQ plus angle PRT. But we have angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. That means both of the values PQR is equal to PRQ. That means these two will get cancelled on both sides. So that angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. Hence proved. Now one more important sum. In the given figure, PQ is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. Okay, children, see here carefully the sum, very important. Here PQ is a line, and next OR is a perpendicular to PQ, and OS is another ray, and ray lying between rays OP and what? OP and OR. OP and OR. OS is another ray, it is lying between OP and OR. Now we have to prove that angle ROS, see this angle ROS is equal to 1 by 2 times of angle QOS minus angle POS. Okay, let us see step by step how can we get this one. So ray OR is perpendicular to PQ, so that's why angle ROQ is 90 degrees. So then ROS is equal to angle ROS is equal to, from figure we can write we have to prove 1 by 2 times of angle QOS minus angle POS. ROS is equal to 1 by 2 times of angle QOS minus angle POS. RTP nothing but required to prove, children. Okay, now proof. First you have to take the ROS value from the figure. ROS can be found out by this way: QoS minus angle QoS minus QOR. See children here carefully. Already I draw one curve here. Here QoS. Okay, QoS is the obtuse angle actually. So from this obtuse angle we have to subtract angle QOR. By that way we can get ROS. Why? Because we need to get that ROS value, no? So that's why we concentrate on that value by doing this sum. Okay, simply observe this left hand value, that only we need to get. So that's why find ROS value from this figure. Simply you can subtract the ROQ from QOS. Okay, QOS minus QOR. Simply. Okay. Now next, again that ROS from this side, ROP minus POS, ROP minus POS. So this is equation 2. Actually this is from the obtuse angle. Okay, QOS is the obtuse angle. From that obtuse angle, if we subtract this 90 degrees, we can get ROS. And again ROS is this side, ROP is actually 90 degrees. If you subtract ROP 90 degrees from POS, if you subtract POS from that 90 degrees, we get simply ROS. Anyhow, by seeing the figure only, you can get easily results, ROS results. Okay, so actually we have to add these two children. Okay, why? Because see this here, ROS is equal to 1 by 2 times of angle QOS minus angle QOS. So by multiplying this to this side, what we get? 2 times of ROS. That's why here by seeing or by observing this proof, we can solve what we have to need. So that's why by equation 1 and 2 we have to add. Adding 1 and 2, then we get angle ROS plus angle ROS is equal to angle QOS minus QR plus angle ROP minus angle POS. But angle QR and angle ROP is what? 90 degrees. Simply those two are 90 degrees. Already we discussed that. So that's why QR 90 minus 90 plus 90 gets cancelled, or these two are same value, so these two will get cancelled. Then on left side we get 2 times of ROS. On right side we get QOS minus POS. That is 2 times of angle ROS is equal to QOS minus POS. So then the final result ROS is equal to 1 by 2 times of angle QOS minus angle POS. Okay children, now hands proud. Now let us see one more important, very easy but very important. In the given figure, if x plus y is equal to w plus z, see properly this question. In given figure, x plus y is equal to w plus z. Actually these two angles are on either side of line AB. Okay children, here on either side, one side OC ray and either side other ray. Okay, so here x plus y is equal to w plus z is given. From that we have to prove AOB is a line. Okay, actually it is a line, but we have to prove, okay, by using the linear pair properties. Okay, now let us see step by step. So given that x plus y is equal to w plus z is equal to some k, or it is a constant, then from figure we can write, okay children, x plus y plus w plus z, angle around a point is always 360 degrees, that is complete angle as you know already. But x plus y is equal to w plus z is equal to k. You can write k in the both the cases, but no need, already we have simple values. So x plus y is equal to w plus z. Now therefore substitute x plus y is equal to w plus z, we can get 2 times of x plus y or 2 times of w plus z. So then we get x plus y or w plus z is equal to simply 360 by 2, then we get 180. Okay, that is each is equal to x plus y is equal to 180 and w plus z is equal to 180. That is x, the pair of x and y and the pair of z comma w, that angles are pairs of adjacent angles whose sum is 180 degrees. Okay children, in other words also we can say the pair of x comma y and a pair of z comma w are a linear pair. So that's why the AOB must be a line. Okay, so that's why in this way we can prove these type of important sums. Okay children, so first you have to see the once again all the definition what we have learned in the previous videos. So once again recall that, see that video once again and then do these sums one by one. Okay, keep a notebook separately for this and keep on going. Okay, so already we have so many example sums are also there, so to practice that also. So I will give that example sums as a worksheets on your this video programs. Okay, so be careful and be care, take your health. Okay, and do practice well. Thank you.